Huobi to launch PayPal stablecoin trading. Huobi will launch a trading pair with PayPal stablecoin PYUSD, backed by the US dollar, with a perpetual zero trading fee. Huobi users will be able to trade PYUSD/USDT. The announcement highlights that the exact date of pair launch will depend on market circulation and liquidity factors. One day earlier, Justin Sun invited PayPal to consider Tron as a blockchain for its stablecoin. Highlighting Tron's speed, security, and cost-effectiveness attributes, Sun alluded to the impressive daily transaction volume of $12 billion. He emphasized the potential for mutual benefits within the digital payment realm and extended an invitation to collaborate. Shortly after, BNN Bloomberg reported that Huobi, Justin Sun's exchange, received $1 million injection in an action believed to prop up digital reserves. PayPal announced the launch of its stablecoin on August 7. The company believes that regulated stablecoins could transform payments in Web3 and would be addressed by the release of PayPal USD. PayPal customers can now transfer PYUSD between PayPal and compatible wallets, use the stablecoin to make purchases, or convert PayPal USD to any support cryptocurrencies. PayPal's announcement lifted the company's shares by 2.66% on August 7, despite the industry being plagued with regulatory uncertainty and several major exchange collapses over the last year. A difficult time for Huobi. The news comes at a time when Huobi is optimizing its offerings. In June 2023, the exchange announced that it was discontinuing trading for 10 specific pairs, primarily focusing on those tethered to the USDD stablecoin. Notably, this stablecoin is issued by the Tron DAO Reserve, a venture with significant backing from Justin Sun. Starting June 29, Huobi's decision entailed delisting other trading pairs, including Cardano, ADA, Solana, SOL, and Matic, coupled with the USDD stablecoin. While this decision was made to create an efficient trading environment for its users, Huobi's support of PayPal shows confidence in its usage and growth for users. Circle's CEO, Jeremy Allaire, unveiled that approximately 70% of USDC adoption occurs outside the United States. Despite the perception that USDC primarily caters to the US market, emerging economies and developing regions emerge as strongholds for this stablecoin. Allaire stated that an estimated 70% of USDC adoption is non-US, and some of the fastest-growing areas are emerging and developing markets. He underscored the vigorous progress made across Asia, Latin America, and Africa. This statement aligns with Paulo Ardoino, the CTO of Tether. Ardoino had earlier emphasized that Tether's USDT can be a safe instrument for emerging markets and developing countries. Allaire praises PayPal's stablecoin plans. Allaire's remarks coincided with the news of PayPal's venture into the stablecoin landscape, introducing its USD-pegged stablecoin, PayPal USD, PYUSD. Allaire praised this move, highlighting the significance of major internet and payments corporations entering the stablecoin arena. The moguls joining the stablecoin field means that regulatory clarity will soon follow, Circle CEO thinks. Circle's liquidity concerns. Addressing the ongoing dynamics of USDC's market share, Circle has been working to maintain its position in the stablecoin market. Currently, the supply of USDC has experienced a decline due to a dip in demand and increased redemptions, causing liquidity concerns. In response to that, Allaire affirmed that the redemptions had exceeded issuance. According to him, the company issued billion USDC over the last month and had redeemed 0.6 BUSDC. Allaire also noted that the company's network of banking partnerships is growing, ensuring a wide-ranging global presence for USDC. Moreover, the Monetary Authority of Singapore granted Circle a major payment institution (MPI) license in June, adding to the company's international outreach. Steadify, a decentralized finance (DeFi) protocol, has offered the hackers a $400 bounty if they return 90% of the stolen funds by August 10. A vulnerability exploited on August 7 led to the siphoning of at least 000 from the platform. The protocol's security framework has been severely undermined, exposing all assets to heightened risks. Steadify's total value locked, TVL, a crucial gauge of staked assets, has suffered a significant drop post-attack, eroding user confidence in the DeFi ecosystem. Steadify openly acknowledged the breach in a Twitter post, declaring that all funds were currently at risk. The company is currently seeking negotiations with the hacker. If 90% of stolen funds are returned by August 10, the hacker can keep the other 10%. However, if the attacker fails to comply with the deadline, Steadify will offer the same bounty to the public to search for the bad actor. An on-chain message was also dispatched to the exploiter's Ethereum address. Notable funds inflows into the identified Ethereum address on the Avalanche network commenced around 4:41 p.m. Universal Time Coordinated. These inflows might reflect some funds transferred from the compromised Steadify protocol. Steadify's breach raises alarm bells in the DeFi community, prompting a collective push for bolstered security measures and preventative strategies against future breaches. The episode underscores the urgency for constructive dialogue around security improvements across all DeFi platforms to curb the growing cases. An analysis of the smart contract of the just-launched PayPal stablecoin PYUSD revealed the presence of so-called centralization attack vectors. Smart contract security auditor Pashiv pointed out in a recent Twitter thread that PYUSD's contract has an asset protection role. It can wipe your balance in 2 transactions, first freeze, then wipe frozen address. The reason why this is seen as an attack vector is that such a feature increases the damage that potential attackers can do if they manage to access it. Pashiv noted that PYUSD has 6 decimals and uses Solidity compiler version 0.4.24. More interestingly, this smart contract does not implement EIP 712 as the standard expects you to. What is EIP 712? Ethereum Improvement Proposal 712 or EIP 712 is a 2017 standard that allows Ethereum wallets like MetaMask to display structured and readable data in signing prompts instead of just hexadecimal strings. This makes it easier for users to verify the actual data they are signing, improving security and usability. To implement EIP 712, developers need to define data structures and create a domain separator to prevent signature collisions between dApps. They also need to write signing code for their dApp to interface with the user's wallet, write contract code to hash the data structures, and verify signatures on-chain using ECRCover. Overall, EIP 712 allows users to better understand what they are signing and prevents phishing attacks. ECRCover is an EVM precompile in Solidity that allows contracts to verify signatures of off-chain data. It takes a hash and an elliptic curve signature comprised of V, R, and S, and returns the Ethereum address that was used to sign the data, verifying the signature is valid. This allows building use cases like meta-transactions and permit tokens. There are different standards for signing data like F_sign, personal_sign, and EIP 712. EIP 712 is the recommended way for contracts to accept signed data as it provides protection against misuse and replay attacks. It involves hashing specific contract data like chain ID along with the message data itself. Open Zeppelin contracts provide secure implementations of ECRCover and EIP 712 signing. Overall, ECRCover enables contracts to cryptographically verify signed data from off-chain sources. Freezing and balance wiping features may be surprising to those in the crypto space who expect assets to be entirely under the control of the owners. Still, smart contract-based tokens have allowed for such features for some time, and those features are pretty typical of centralized stablecoins. Newsflash, USDT and USDC both have similar attack vectors as well. I thought this one might be different, but it really isn't, Pashiv commented.
Experience the ultimate control over your cryptocurrency journey with our comprehensive alerting platform. Here's a glimpse of the top features: crypto and stock price trackers. Keep up with real-time trading volumes from major platforms like Coinbase and Binance and monitor over 10,000 stocks and ETFs. Crypto Whale Monitor. Track significant transactions made by crypto whales, keeping you informed about major market moves. Exchange listing alerts. Stay ahead of the curve with alerts for new listings on top exchanges like Coinbase and Binance. Free Bitcoin alarms. Get customizable alerts for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies delivered straight to your device. Ethereum gas price tracker. Keep an eye on the changing costs of ETH transactions over time to optimize your trades. And that's just the beginning. Dive into our platform for more advanced features like DeFi token monitoring, airdrop alerts, market scanners, and many more. Stay informed, stay ahead with our cryptocurrency alerting platform. The link to this game changer is right below this video.